Audio Jungle.
It's few hours to the end of this year. I'm talking about 2018, and few months to the March talk about 2019 general election. This is Bystanders at Newsstands on Flip TV. I'm Michael Adekunle, and I'll be taking you on today's newspaper review. Today's newspaper review, we have the Vanguard newspaper at the newsstand and the Nigerian Express. Very good and captivating headline here. Shagari pardoned Buhari orders before he died. Of course, you know the former Nigerian president Shehu Shagari died some days ago. Now we have on Vanguard newspaper, Shagari pardoned Buhari orders before he died, with a very good rider here which says louds Buhari's condolence visit to Sokoto, says he won't comment on federal government's pledge until it's fulfilled. Shagari would have industrialized Nigeria if, says Labour. We don't know the if they are talking about there. And let's go to the Nigerian Express. It reads, APC PDP threat to Nigeria. I repeat, APC PDP threat to Nigeria, says Balarabe Musa. Now, again with a very good rider here, says PRP to Porto-Field presidential candidates. PRP to Porto-Field presidential candidate. Another headline here, Oshowale battles Buhari's loyalists. These are the stories we have on the Nigerian Express and the Vanguard newspaper this morning at the newsstands. I'm Michael Adekunle. We have our reviewers at the newsstands. Let's join them. They have something to say. Shagari pardoned Buhari orders before he died. Now, on the Nigerian Express, APC PDP threats to Nigeria. Balarabe Musa is saying this.
Well, I believe with the words of Balarabe Musa that APC is a threat to Nigeria, because these people are recycling themselves. You understand? The same group of people that are in APC are those who crossed to PDP. The same PDP are those who are in APC. So they are just the same people. None of them have a clear-cut manifesto. You understand? They are not doing the country well. The only thing Nigeria needs to do is to deviate from these two parties and vote other parties that have a clear-cut agenda.
Now, sir, based on what you speculated on now, do you think it's possible for Nigerians to leave these two major parties?
It's possible, but the problem with Nigeria is that most of them are, because of the money bags are in both parties. The Nigeria are being bought. You understand? They trade, they accept a plate of food. That's just the thing. Because if Nigeria should come under one umbrella to say no to these two political parties, I believe that's the only thing that will do Nigeria good.
Now, apart from the incumbent party, which is the APC, and the minor, let me say, the opposition party, which other parties do you think can do it the way we expect?
Well, the other parties are there, but I've not really studied their manifestos. But I want to let you know that I cannot mention, because most of them have not been able to they are not campaigning. They are not even telling us what we are here for. But what we need to do is to move towards, leave all these old men to young people. You understand? Like a bill of not too young to rule has been passed. Why can't we look at all these parties that have young people? You understand? We have people like Philandro Droti, we have people like Shoure, we have people like Kesile Mogalo, we have people like Donald Duke, we have people like Eze Kwesile. You understand? These are people that we should They try, but because of money, these people don't have money to campaign. Because of money, nobody think about them. People are only thinking of APC, PDP, because they have the money, they have the financial muscle to, to move and to influence people, buy, vote buying and the rest of them. You can see that if you flip papers now, most of the newspapers don't have political adverts. Most of them are keeping their money to buy votes, because to them it's better for them to, instead of placing an advert worth of 500,000 naira in a newspaper, when they divide that 500,000 into 2,000, it will go a long way to the grassroots to buy the votes instead of how many people read newspaper. You understand? So that's exactly what I think most of them are doing. The political campaign is on, but you hardly see political adverts. They are keeping the money. You understand?
Other party they there where we supposed to even vote for, leave all those two parties.
And why are we not voting for them?
Huh?
Why are we not voting for other parties? Why are we not talking about them?
Because Nigeria has corrupt this. Even though we vote for them, they will still rig out to other party, to those two parties to win. That's really what has.
And apart from APC and PDP, which other parties do you think can do it the way we want?
No, I don't know other people. You understand me? But I believe say that only say people they that will do this country. If PDP or APC don't do it, that's really what I.
Coming to that, what he said, although they have both parties are there before. PDP is there before, APC is there now. Although changes does not come automatically, it comes gradually. You understand? Changes is not automatic. It's a gradual process. Gradual process. But when the process is taking place, you will know. You understand? It will affect the masses. Will know that their changing is coming. You understand? But in this regime now, there is no hope for the masses.
No hope for the masses.
No hope for the masses. Masses don't even have hope of tomorrow. What tomorrow will come up of.
Okay.
You understand? So, in a PDP time, masses, there are food on the people's, at least the ones that fall out from the master's table, the people are taking it and eating, seeing their daily bread, at least having hope of tomorrow. But now, in this regime now, people does not even know what tomorrow will come up of. You can see many people died. If you go to hospital now, you see sickness all over. People die, no help, even if there no help. Even the people who you are thinking of help from, they don't even have. People who you are expecting to give, they don't even have to give anymore. So that is the most challenges we are having now in this APC government. And there is no even hope of maybe next year will be even better than this year. Because as the year is keep going, this is getting tougher. Tougher. Last year, we are entering into another year today by 12 midnight. Last year is even better than this year. And we don't know what, because now we can see a bag of rice now. How much is a bag of rice? 20,000. During 2015, how much are we buying bag of rice? You can see the cheaper bag of rice, 7,000 naira. But this year, what are we saying? Now price is 20,000 naira. Where are we heading to? If they don't know how to make masses to at least feel the impact of the government by bringing those things lower, that's only where we can see that there is hope. At least let us see how we can be able to vote these people in again, because they are giving us hope. Because there is no hope at all, no thinking of any hope. So I'm thinking that although we have never tested other parties, on my own, if Nigeria we believe in what we can test other parties and see, but it's not possible as we are looking at it. It's not possible as we are seeing it. Although this team in PDP team now that come up, I am seeing a bit that there will be a change, because the two people there, the vice and even the president, which they say is corrupt. I can see because a businessman, I always know what it takes to do a business. A businessman know what it takes to do a business, and they will make business people to. It will make business in Nigeria to flourish. That's the area I'm looking at. That's the angle I'm looking at PDP's line now. Because two of them are employers of laborers. Atiko he has his own company. Obi has his own company. So if they can be able to manage their company, a big company like that, they can be able to manage Nigerian business. I'm talking about in business area. You understand? I'm talking about in business because if business is dormant. To be sincere, if you can be able to, business is dormant. I have a shop. I deal with tires. I don't know how many, even some people are going for Tokumbo tire and I'm more new tire, which I'm selling. Because they cannot be able to have, some of them cannot afford the new tire again any longer. Some of them cannot afford new tire. They are traveling home with a grade 1 Tokumbo. If you can help me to find Tokumbo, that they will be going home with to celebrate Christmas with their family. You can buy somebody, is it not risky for somebody to use Tokumbo going home? It's a very risky thing. So I'm looking at it. If things, you can see there are people that carry here one day. The high cost of things now influence, not even 10%, influence more than, I don't know how many percent I can even say. More than ever we have seen in any regime. So I don't know where Nigeria is heading to now. If I may say where Nigeria is heading to now, I can't predict.
Now, do you believe in these two parties?
To me, in the two parties, I don't. If Nigeria can be able to think wise, we can go for another party and try. But as I'm seeing, that's why I will say it's not possible for now. For now, it's not possible. It's not possible because if you check the two hitman now, because where I'm saying it's not possible because left with the south east and south it will be possible.
Okay.
Left with south east and the south it will be very very possible for us to choose, but the vote rely on not. All the Nigerian vote now rely on not, so we cannot decide. In 19 states. How many states are we here? If you compare south and southwest, we are not up to 19 states. It's about 16 states. So you can see now all the hope of Nigeria election is there. And what they play tribalist this is politics. This one is my people. I will vote for my people because ethnicity. This one is my people. I will vote for my people. So that is where we are having challenges. Now, if not, left to the south is we are learned, we are educated, we know what to do, we know what is right, we know what is good. That's why when you are telling me that is it possible for us to, I tell you, for now, it's not possible. So that is where the impossibility of it comes in. Because we are not the one to decide the vote. By the time you finish now, they will come to 2 million from this one, 3 million from here, 4 million from here. Where are those votes coming from? From the north. So that is the people who decide election, and they are, I don't know what to say concerning them because they are not learned. They are not, most of them are not educated to know what is going on. So thank you.
Looking at APC and PDP, we have APC as the major ruling party and we have PDP as the major opposition party in Nigeria. Don't we have other parties that can do it better?
We have, but they are not strong.
They're not strong?
Yeah, the only two major parties we have in the country are PDP and APC. The other parties are just struggling to survive.
Struggling to survive, but they have ideas, they have new innovations.
But they don't have the financial strength to compete with the two major parties in the country.
Are we Nigerians looking at the financial capacity to campaign or to run an election, or we are looking at someone's real ideology or what?
Well, election in Nigeria is basically all about financial. How you are able to campaign. You need money to mobilize people. so on. We campaign, we post, poster and the rest.
But do you believe there are candidates that are better than these two main parties?
Yes, I believe we have. Like of Sowore. Yeah.
So why are Nigerians not looking at these people?
Well, maybe they are just new in the game. They are not the main politician in the country, that's why.
And don't you think this is our major problem?
No, sir. I don't believe.
You don't believe it?
Yeah.
Because à ń sọ pé àrí nǹkan jẹ ó tún wá worst ju ti tàtẹ̀yìn wá lọ because àwọn kan tó wà ní ẹgbẹ́ yìí náà wọ́n tó wà ní ẹgbẹ́ kan náà níta nídìí ni pé a fẹ́ change èèyàn tó wà nínú ẹ̀ kóyà nǹkan lè wálẹ̀ because tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa owó òṣìṣẹ́ tó bá fi kún àwọn aráàlú a máa forí ko because ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wa ṣiṣẹ́ irú èmi nìsín election ni mi ìgbà tọ́jọ́ ya ń sọ̀rọ̀ mo dẹni tó ń ta poró mo padà ṣiṣẹ́ bílẹ̀ so ṣerú èmi ni màá sọ pé mo fẹ́ ṣe sàárà fún yẹn.
ṣé nínú gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì yìí náà ni àbí sí tẹ́lẹ̀?
nínú gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì tẹ́lẹ̀ mo wà ní system pé mo ń ṣe electrician but nígbà tó délé tí gbogbo nǹkan dry ìyàwó ọmọ wà nílé so ló jẹ́ kémi náà máa tajà yìí pé bóyá mo tún lè rí àwọn changes máa padà ṣọ́ọ̀bù nìkan bíi 12 so mi wà ta ló wá fẹ́ tọrọ owó lọ tèmi ń gbọ́ pé mi kò tí ì jẹ àárọ̀ tẹ́nìkan wà sọ pé kí n fóun ló so n ta ní ìlọ ta wà ní pé àwọn èèyàn tó wà ń bẹ̀ ni la fẹ́ change because ẹnìkan wà nípò láàrin 20 years àwọn kan sì wà lù tán kàwé táwọn náà gbé lọ́wọ́ tí wọn ò lọ́pọ̀ tí ń tìbí tán à ń sọ pé nàìjíríà dáa látàyébáyé láti máa ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní tòótọ́ bọ́sẹ̀ bó wá ti jowó àwọn ìlú kan lọ rí tàdé ń gbádùn tán ya ìláyé àwọn bàbá wa bó ló ti wá lórí báyìí bó làwọn ọmọ tí ń bọ̀ sí fẹ́ rí so ó bẹ́tà pé káwọn ìjọba kan síjú àánú wò wá ráwọ̀ aráàlú à ń jẹ púpọ̀ nú yẹ so wọ́n dẹ̀ ní tìlú ọ̀bádùn ọmọ olówó dẹ̀ ń ṣènáwó kò sọ ọmọ tálíkà tó máa lòdì ẹmu náà so mi wà gbogbo àwọn tó ń kú kì í ṣe pé ẹlòmíì wà ṣe pé kò jẹ àná kò jẹ ọjọ́ kejì tó ọjọ́ kẹta ẹ mọ̀ pé irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ hepatitis àìsàn irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ lára so a bẹ̀ àwọn tó wà lókè kàn dáhùn kan ṣàánú àwọn tá a wà ńlẹ̀ because gbogbo apáta ẹ wo sí òṣàgà nìsín ó wà nù pé mo ṣèjọba rí ni so wọn àtọ́lú ẹ̀ àtàwọn iṣẹ́ tó bá ṣe ló máa tẹ̀lé lọ bó ti wù ká rí láyé a máa gbádùn lọ́rùn jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ but àwọn tó wà níwájú kán dáhùn kan ṣàánú wa ẹ wo ìtàn ra ta nìsín ṣé ìtàn ra tẹ́lẹ̀ nìyẹn ìgbà tẹ́mi náà sáà dáyé ọdún yìí mo pé 44 years mo ti lọ bá ra kókì 10 naira wá rí mo ti gba sílé kan àbọ̀ yìí tẹ́ wá fọmọ 100 naira nísìnyí á wò pé èlò 100 naira tó ń fẹ́ fi jẹun so kọ́dà kan ṣàánú wa náà láàmú bẹ̀ wọ́n torí kò ságbára lọ́wọ́ wa kìí ṣe ìbò tá à ń dì náà ń kà kìí ṣe ìbò tá à ń dì náà ń kà torí tó wáyé pé ìbò tá à ń dì náà ń kà ni ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì gan ọ̀jáde nínú dédé pópó yóò dìbò wàrà so wọ́n á dẹ̀ kírẹ́dìtì pé èèyàn mélòó lọ́wọ́ à ń bì iye èèyàn tó wà ń bẹ̀ kó tá a bá fẹ́ jà fúnra wa sẹ́ńtì ọ̀jà ànásùn wọn fẹ́ fún ní 500 ní onílọ̀ dìbò ọ̀ntì tá a bá dúró nínú èèyàn tó wà nínú ẹ̀ gangan lábẹ́ lọ́n kọ́ lọ́n change wọn tó rà àṣàyé wá country la sì yà so ti bá ara àwọn kan náà tó ń gbádùn lọ́hùn àwọn náà gbọ́dọ̀ mọ gbádùn bíi àǹsán táàsì àǹsán ogbẹ àwọn táàsì ẹ̀jọba àǹsán táàsì ẹni tó ń ṣe ìjọba wọ́n ń san táàsì so kí ni àǹfààní táàsì tá à ń san ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ́ ọmọ olówó láìtáìmù kan mo rólówó kan tó lówó lọ́wọ́ lọ́dọ̀ wa Ọ̀ṣun lèmi ti wá kò kàwé rárá ó dẹ̀ ń san táàsì láti ìgbà tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ rólówó tó lówó jùlọ tó ti rìtáyà ọlọ́pàá tó fẹ̀yìntì kò san táàsì rárá ìgbà tíjọba mi débẹ̀ tó fẹ́ mú ó níwò bàbá yìí kò kàwé rárá ó dẹ̀ ń san táàsì láti ìjọ tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sẹ́ẹ̀ kí wọ́n á lóde tẹ̀yìn ọ̀sán tẹ̀dẹ̀ mọ̀ pófin ni so ọlọ́pàá ọmọ tálíkà ọmọ olówó ni ò lè gbé o so mi wà ẹ̀kan dákun torí Ọlọ́run abẹ̀ wọ́n ni èèyàn tó wà nú ẹ̀ abẹ́ change ẹ̀wò tá à ń ra rice mo ti lọ ra rice nígbà mo bímọ àkọ́kọ́ mi mo ra rice ní 2005 ẹ̀wò tá à ń ra nísìnyí so bó ni ọmọ ọ̀gbọ́ ti bàbá mọ́ bàbá ọ̀gbọ́ tọmọ mọ́ ìyàwó gan ti lọ lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹlòmíì nígbà tí ó sì nǹkan tó fẹ́ fún gbogbo àwọn obìnrin wa da lágbèrè ìyàwó lé ó dẹni tó ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì nígbà tí ò bá sí lọ́wọ́ ọkọ tí wọn ò rówó skul san fún ọmọ tó lè mówó lọ bí iṣẹ́ so kán dákun abẹ̀ wọ́n ni torí pé àmọ́ bẹni tó bá jù yẹn lọ ni torogún yẹn ní bá jù yẹn ni lọ mọ̀mọ́ lápẹ̀ akànmọ̀pá wà nínú ọkọ̀ àmọ́ lọ́kọ̀ tó ń wà wáṣá so ẹni tó bá wà nínú ẹ̀ kó dákun torí Ọlọ́run kán dákun kán ṣàánú àwa mẹ̀kúnnù torí mẹ̀kúnnù ni wá.
we've had people's opinions at the newsstands today. Very topical discussions at the newsstands. I'm Michael Adekunle reporting from the newsstands. And you are watching Flip TV. Make sure you don't drink to stupor. Stay calm and peaceful. Have a nice day.